Hello friend, welcome to my another video. I will talk about internet. Internet is a new device for speedy transmission of nation, news, feelings, act. In the process of computer network, internet is now measured as a milestone in the modern world of the computers. We think there one a network of all network computer are there all over the world. Different organizations use the computers within their own jurisdiction by appealing the networking process. In this way, networking processes are going on throughout the whole world. There are services in all the important towns and cities. Their service served local purpose and by process entertaining the service should a satellite the process of internet. Yes, internet. Internet has been involved thus at a very keep rate. Anyone can keep communion with other in any part of the world. Internet as a medium of world with communication is no personal affair. It is due to the servers the news are communicate. Communicate. A user may contact his telephone part of the world. Thus the thing is formed under the modern system of telephone call. A man in our land required to spend take on 100 for 8 minutes communication. But if the same call could transmit through internet, it will cost more than taka to or there. Those local customers can use the system profitably. There are two processes, online and offline internet. The online process is the process of communicating a computer science telephone line with a service provider and internet. Wait. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think use a word. There are two processes, online and offline internet. The online process is the process of connecting a computer telephone line with a service provider of an internet. With the help of his process, a user can contact can contact his line with the provider anytime he likes. The second process, known as offline internet or email, is now much in vogue in our country. On 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's strong, tight. The second process, internet. The second process The second process, known as offline internet or email, is now much in vogue in our country. The user of this process send all information direct to the nearest server provider. This server provider communicate instantly to the navigation server. Then this server supplies all this information to a server connect with the internet to send them to the desired place. So it may safely be asserted that email is cheapest means of sending and receiving news. On, two, three, four. No, never. It's don't like this. Internet opened a new dimension in our communication system. Our T&T board has already integrated VSAT in our country. As a result, telephone line roadways will no more be needed. Now cellular telephone is being used. Don't need. The use of internet in our country still remains costly. It is hoped that our government will take all possible measures to make use beneficially of this wonderful system in a short period. Thank you. Take care. Tata.